this is not the first time we are meeting, and it warms my heart. It's a journey, and it's such a delight to meet new faces each time when I come for such events, because it tells me that we are bringing more women on board and that more women are making a difference and an impact. So for all the women who are here today, how about a round of applause for yourselves?
Kinesthetic experiential learner. So therefore, I'm sorry you're not going to sit down quietly and let your mind fly away.
Event in particular, I'm very happy, and it brought me a lot of energy and inspiration from hearing stories about how other women rose from being even abused to someone who's opening up new ventures and thriving. And I feel therefore that I don't have any reason not to believe in myself.